I'm completely locked out of my messages. Now, this is something that is going to affect not just the UK and Ireland, this is where it started first, but it will spread across other major countries too, so you absolutely need to know how to get past this stage. It's all to do with a age verification safety thing that Sony are bringing in, because companies like Sony can get hit apparently with massive fines if they don't follow certain procedures like this. But it's really annoying because you literally cannot access any messages until you follow the procedures, and it's not exactly a flawless procedure either, and I'll show you that in a minute and how to actually get past it. But as you can see, I tried to click messages and it says no, you need to basically do the age verification thing first. And the kind of daft thing about it is, even if you go to someone you've chatted with before, let's take this one. You go to messages and it says you need to verify your age. You literally cannot even look at old messages, which is a bit nuts, but it is going to happen everywhere, so we need to actually get past this. So let us do the age verification thing. So let's go to continue, and this is the part that's kind of flawed for me at first, because it says to bring you the best PlayStation experience for your age verification is required to use communication features. Scan the QR code to learn more and verify your age on our third party's website. After your age has been verified, select already verified to try the feature again. So let's try and do that. Now, my scanner does work. I've used it on various other stuff and it always works. But for some reason, this just says no. It will just be typical if it works this time, but we'll try it on a bit too near. No, it's difficult for you to see it there, but I went far enough back so the scanner was fitting inside, but it was absolutely not working. So if that fails, you have to try a different method. What you can try instead is going to settings, go to users and accounts, wait for your account info to come up, and then you can basically enter your phone number. But even this is potentially flawed, because if you've got a contract phone, it should be okay. But if you've got like a pay-as-you-go phone, like I do, because I use WhatsApp for nearly all my calls, then it probably won't work. So I'm going to try this method next. You haven't verified your age yet. When your age is verified as an adult, you'll have access to all features. I find that wording quite funny, when your age is verified as an adult. And they're letting me play a load of 18+ games. Anyway. Age verification is required to access certain features on PlayStation. Verify your age to access all the PlayStation features and get the most out of your experience. Let's do that. You can verify your age by facial scan, ID or mobile number. Verification methods available may depend on your country or region. To use facial scan or ID, select next. To use your mobile number, it can be added to your account to use for account recovery. Now this is a bit I'm interested in as well, because I'll use my mobile number. But in theory, this shouldn't work because I'll use a pay-as-you-go phone. And that isn't tied to any contract or service provider. You could be 4 years old and still have a mobile phone with a pay-as-you-go account. So I'll do that and get straight back to you. Right, this is kind of bizarre to me because I've just input my phone number and it's now saying it sent me a code, and it has. So when I put this code in, I should be done. That's kind of mad to me because, like I just said, you could be a 4-year-old and have a pay-as-you-go phone. So let's put that code in and see what happens. Yeah, see, there you go. As I predicted, your age couldn't be verified as an adult. Select one of the options below to continue. So we verify again. I mean, what a palaver, Sony, honestly. Must be an easier way than this. Maybe just get your QR code working, perhaps, would be good. Right, so the QR code method has failed, the phone number method has failed because I'm using pay-as-you-go, so that is technically correct. So we've got no choice but to do the facial recognition method, which you can do by phone or laptop. Bizarrely, using the smaller QR code, my scanner worked. So if you fail on the big QR code, they show you initially, go to the smaller one, and you may have some success. Okay, this part should be fairly easy. Once the QR code has been read, you just click the link and it takes you to Sony's website with a age estimation. Take a photo of your face to confirm your age. Confirm your age in an instant. No one sees it, stores or shares your image. Your photo is protected within secure encryption. Right, so let us do that. I consent to Yoti's collection and use of an image of my face to estimate my age. Alright, let's agree to that. I have read and acknowledged Yoti's privacy notice, including biometrics policy. Whatever. You know we have no choice. What's the point of even doing that stuff? Alright. Preparing camera. So basically what Sony almost saying is, if you don't have a computer or phone with camera, I know most people have, but the point is not everyone has, you can't see messages on your PlayStation. Whatever. Allow this time. Right, let's get me mush in there. Move closer. Processing your photo. This is where my youthful looks may work against me. Image not accepted. What? Try again. What the hell? Just doing image not accepted. Say move closer, keep still, all this malarkey. Estimate an age. Image not accepted! Is my light interfering with this? Right, I'm going to have to do this with the light off and I'll pop back to you in a second. Okay, we have success. Basically the light was interfering with the image I was getting on the camera, and it thought I was cheating basically, so I had to go to a different room without any light interference and do it that way. And we are good, so let's press continue. You've verified your age. On your console, select already verified. Like I say, a lot of people in the UK will be doing this right now in Ireland, but this is going to spread across major countries eventually, so you are going to have to do this. So let's go already verified. Your age was successfully verified. We have success. Can we see messages now? The excitement is real. It's still what? No, do not do this to me. Already verified. What the heck? What's going on? I've done it. Oh, see, it's all well and good. People insisting on these things, but what happens when it doesn't work properly? Right, let's do a restart. See if we need to just do a restart. Restart complete, and I have messages back. So yeah, if you do that, if you do the verify age thing and you still see no messages, then basically do a PS5 restart and you should be absolutely golden. So yeah, a bit of a palaver, but if the big QR code at the beginning doesn't work, go to the smaller one on the age verification thing you get to by settings, which showed earlier, and you should be able to use the QR code that way. But failing that, or even simpler than that, maybe even just go to settings, accounts, and put in your mobile phone number if you're on a contract, which proves you're 18 already, and you can verify that way. But yeah, bit of a palaver, but we got there in the end, and everyone is going to have to do this at some point. So when it comes up, don't get the ump about it and complain. So age verification thing, Sony kind of got no choice but to comply with these things as well. Lots of companies have to do this these days. It's not just a Sony thing. But yeah, a little bit annoying, but you got to do it. So that's a do it and get over the hurdles which we face along the way. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be really cool if you bash that like and subscribe button. It really does help. But most of all, thanks for watching. Catch you again in the next one. Bye for now.